Good morning on this absolutely beautiful, glorious, sunny day in Munich. It is a Good Friday. I think it's Friday the 3rd of April 2026, and we are currently in a suburb in the west of Munich, and we are going to a special place that I would like to go to. I'm not going to tell you where it is or what it is, and I'm going to let you know once I get there with a few bloody trams, and I will let you know with a few clues leading up to it, and then we will film the location. I'll give you one clue straight up. It is a filming location. That's about the clue I can only give you. That narrows it down to about 40 million films, but let's zoom along there and we'll get there and we'll take it from there. Having said that, what a beautiful day. Look at that. Absolutely glorious. Sunny Munich day. Good Friday, hardly anyone around. All right, oof. Let's get up there. So, how did I come across this filming location? Well, many years ago, a feed come up on my YouTube video. I said, oh, look at that. That's that favourite movie of mine, my childhood movie. I'll have a look at it. It was the filming locations of the film. And the film was actually filmed in Munich, Germany. I said, oh, wow, I never knew that. Yeah, filmed in Munich, Germany. And lo and behold, several years later, I'm in Munich, Germany on a trip. And I thought, oh, I've got to go here. I've got to go to this spot and do a bit of filming to say, hey, I've been here. So the film was released in 1971, way back then. And it's an absolute favourite amongst people. You'll know the film very shortly. And we are approaching the filming location right now. Oh, it's a pity that there's a car in front there, but anyway, it doesn't matter. We'll be able to film. All right, I'm coming up to it now, and I'll just set myself up, and we'll take it from there. All right, we have arrived at the destination. We have now. Anyone who would know by now what this location is very smart. But this is the filming location of Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory. This is the actual entrance to the chocolate factory. In the background of that building was there, of course, during the 1971 making of it. But these are the original. That's the original. That's the original with the little thing there, whatever it is. But these gates have obviously changed. So, having said that, Mr. Willy Wonka, hold it, Mr. Willy Wonka, I know I'm 55 or 56 years late, but I have a golden ticket. Can I come in? I've got the golden ticket.
You can, the gate is open.
The gate's open? Oh, the little gate's open, but yeah. I have a golden ticket. Can I come in, Mr. Willy Wonka? Look. Mr. Willy Wonka, where are you? I've got the golden ticket. How exciting.
You can go in.
That's it? That's all it is?
That's it.
How exciting. The original spot. Gene Wilder, Charlie Bucket, Veruca Salt, accepted. Oh, there's a guy just gone past. There's a golden ticket. We're passing.
I've got a Kit Kat I can give you.
Hey?
Chocolate. I've got a chocolate
You got
Kit
a
Kat.
Wonka bar?
Not a Wonka bar.
I got the golden ticket, Mr. Willy Wonka. Can I come in? 55 years late, but are you there? No. You're not Gene Wilder. You passed away not long ago, so it's not going to happen. How exciting, eh?
There you are.
All right, there you go. Finally,
I didn't realize the gates had changed, but that's the spot.
That's the spot, yeah. Yeah, you've seen the picture. You've seen the picture. That building's there. That building's there, but obviously that one's not there. That was built after. But this is it. This is where they went through, and all the crowd was waiting. 1971.
Okay.
All right, that's it. I've had my thrill for the day.
Yeah.
Bye bye. I think people live in these buildings now, so I'm not going to make a scene or anything. But yeah, the two original buildings, that one there and that one there, are still here. Like I said, that one in the background, that was built obviously after the film. The guardhouse there, and this is it, the Willy Wonka gates to the chocolate factory. How exciting. Alright, so I've had my fun. We'll head off now. Oh, that's good. I've finally got to see it. Yeah. Okay. Ciao, ciao for now.